Linking your bank to Attijariwafa Bank in Egypt could streamline your banking experience. Follow these steps to successfully connect your accounts. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, ensure you have all necessary information at hand, including your bank account details, identification documents, and any relevant Attijariwafa bank account information. Step 2. Access the Attijariwafa Bank platform. Visit the official Attijariwafa Bank website or download the mobile app. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your personal information. Step 3. Navigate to the linking section. Once logged in, look for the section dedicated to linking external bank accounts. This may be found under Settings, Account Management, or a similar category. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in elite databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your information, review everything for correctness and submit your request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the linking process is complete. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank to Attijariwafa Bank in Egypt. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.